After every 10 seconds, I'll let you know how much time you have. 50 seconds. Oh, that's a 0. Another 0. Oh, there's a ball going. Oh, that's a, that's not going to make it. That's a 0. You guys are losing points quite quickly. Hey, come on, people. Oh, the first 100. 200. That's the second 100. Nah, 0. Oh, where's that one going? Oh, brilliant. Did you see that? Yeah. Okay, that's good. Is that everything? Is that all the items? Oh, nice. Any other items? Right, cool. In that case, let's do the math. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 600. All right, people, get the items, yeah, and return them. Everyone in that team. 2, 1, go. No, tomorrow he's gonna pick up from here. Yes. 300. Oh, yeah! Yes, nice. Very clever. What the? Yes, can we give it to somebody who can actually throw it? Oh, we got a bowling one. Yes. Now, no. Oh. You think will he make it? Will he make it? Will he stop in the circle? Nah, it's moving away. Moving away. No. Is that everything? Oh, that bounced back. Come on. 30 seconds. Nope, that's a 0. What the? All right, people, now let's count. So we have 300 over there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800. Well done. All right, bring the items. 800. All right. Oh, 100. 200. 300. Oh, 400, 500, 600. 600. Looking good. 700. Oh, look at that. 800. 900. Oh my God, that's crazy. 1,000. 1,100. 1,100. Oh! 1,200. Very clever. Now bring them out. Actually, who wants to be a man? Okay, I'll take it this. I'll give you a ball. One ball. Yeah.
Don't hit me, Lokes. Don't hit me.
60 seconds. Go. In for this. Oh. All right. Push that one in. Oh, no. No! Oh, no. That one is good. It's getting there. Just stop. Yeah! You didn't stop it. No! Move. Trust me, I've got a technique on this one. Oh, no. Hold on. Stay where you are. All right. 100. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's what we have. 800. Give it up. 800.